Good morning, everyone. This is Darren Bown from IMP. Welcome to our VIMAR. Good morning, everyone. This is Darren Bown from IMP. Welcome to the VIMAR presentation for EI Live. Just a couple of introductions. This morning, we have myself, I'm the MD at IMP, and my colleague Colin Sanger, who's the Key Account Manager for VIMAR here at IMP, and Michele Zanella, who is the Area Manager from VIMAR. IMP is exclusive UK distributor for VIMAR here in the UK. We have been the exclusive distributor for VIMAR for the past 10 years. If you don't know VIMAR, VIMAR is an Italian manufacturer of wiring devices and automation systems. We work across a number of settings, including hospitality, public spaces, healthcare, and the marine sector. Why VIMAR? Essentially, VIMAR is all about bringing beauty to controls. It's all about empowering energy of those controls and making life easier, convenient. How? Map here of the VIMAR production facilities. VIMAR's based in northeast Italy, in the Veneto region, about an hour from Venice. They're based in Marostica, which is a medieval village in the hills. Point 1 there on the map is the HQ and production facility. Point 2, which is on the same plant, is their heritage hub, where they have a museum and they host seminars and so on. Point number 3 there is their production and testing facility. So everything they manufacture is pressed and made there. And number 4 is the production and logistics hub. So assembly and logistics happen there. VIMAR has been established since 1945. We are very closely linked to Marostica, where all our production is held, and VIMAR are determined to maintain that link to the local area and the various sub-suppliers to VIMAR. We take very seriously our partnerships with our distributors around, and obviously those relationships with our sub-suppliers. VIMAR is a family orientated business where loyalty and trust is paramount. Just a couple of key facts to the VIMAR product range. As I've said, we started in 1945, just after the Second World War, and there you see our initial product being our toggle switch. I'll come on to some slides later on, and you'll see that design, as ever, has gone full circle there, where our toggles are now back and centered to our latest icon collection. And you have a ceramic outlet there, so very much steeped in history. In the 60s, VIMAR revolutionized wiring devices in Europe with the development of the Mascot line, which brought design and functionality into every home. And in 1968, VIMAR patented the security system, which is the safety system that we all take for granted now, which doesn't allow people to put their fingers into the socket outlet and be electrified. VIMAR thought that it was such an important security aspect, they offered that patent for free across the world, where you'll find that present in all of our competitors' products to this day. Sustainability is ever more important in today's world. So VIMAR are continually developing their sustainability credentials. Too many to mention, but there's a few of the main points. So we have our own processes now, eliminating galvanic processes to our finishes. We use water-based paints, and 60% of all of our plastic and material wastes are recycled, and the packaging that we use is fully recyclable. A couple of years ago, we developed the new logistics hub in Mirostica, which now encompasses a photovoltaic and geothermal system. Essentially, we produce enough energy per year there to run 200 homes for an entire year. We're continually investing in the local territory. Part of that development included some green spaces and parks for the local community. And just to show our international presence, VIMAR has branches all around the world. The large flags there are the VIMAR factories or offices, and then we have over 100 distributors around the world. IMP is the exclusive distributor for the UK and have been for the past 10 or so years. And of course, being part of the digital age, besides our people internationally, the website forms part of everything we do. So on our website, it's very comprehensive, and you'll find various videos, tutorials, data sheets, catalogs, and so on. So on to the product design. Just for your information, we can also customize the products that we supply. So with the cover plates, we can laser engrave, as well as the switches. So we'll do one piece, we'll do 1,000 pieces. So really, we are very flexible in terms of offering customization of our product, and we have also developed custom products for various projects around the world. And then being part of a global community, we're improving and continuing collaborations and partnerships with various suppliers and partners. So we have products that are now integrated into various partners, including Philips Hue, Kasambi, Mitsubishi, Iguzini, etc. So our platform is based on the ecosystem of View, which is VIMAR on the web. And everything we do is about making things easy to use and install. We have a single app called View, and that's the app that the user can use to control all of our smart products. We have integration and connectivity into other systems, including vocal assistants. And style and design. This is very much the major feature to the VIMAR product range. So we'll come on to these in the next few slides, but all of our systems are available in all of the ranges that we manufacture. So VIMAR has a product to suit both budgets and functions that the client is looking for. Just to look at our solutions from a 360 perspective, we have scalable product solutions for many different types of products. So from small to large projects, multi-dwellings, hotels, and so on. We have a range of products from wired solutions to wireless solutions, and then we have a number of functions within those solutions as well, covering the main elements of comfort, so lights, blind control, curtain control, energy efficiency, so climate control, load control, and so on, and then safety and security with our own access control products, alarm systems, video surveillance, door entry. Again, controlled via vocal assistance, our app, or third-party controls. So looking at our design and switches, our controls. So our controls, whether it's standard wiring or automation, come in a number of ranges and styles, starting with Icon there to the left. So Icon covers a number of designs, materials, and functions, from toggles through to sort of flat switches, rocker switches, touch switches, and so on. RK is a relatively new product, about 3 years old in the UK, very contemporary in design, in square and round cover plates with a slight curve. And Planner is very strong and bold design, and allows us to enter various projects where budget is more essential. We have one platform, so essentially all of the products we offer have a supporting frame, and then you use the various functions which are fixed into the supporting frame, be that standard wiring, toggle switches, rocker buttons, and so on, or socket outlets, through to the automation switches, thermostats, and so on. And then you finish that off with our cover plates. So fully, completely flexible, multitude of choices in terms of designs and materials. So Icon is our sort of high-end luxury solution. Here we have some images. This is Icon XA cover plate with a automation push button. Those button icons there are standard from our catalog, but we can customize those as well. These are the XA style plates. So again, a range of cover plate designs and materials. The modular accessories are available in 3 colors. So white, anthracite, or next, as we call it, it's a matte silver. Here we have the Icon XA vintage control to the left, so going back to our history with the first toggle, and the flat control to the right. Again, that could be integrated into automation or standard wiring. We have our Icon Tactile, which is our capacitive touch screen technology, and Icon Evo, which has very square contemporary design with a chrome detail on the inner bezel. And of course, we have all of the various international standards. So in the UK, we have products that will fit UK 1 gang, 2 gang back box dimensions. But of course, exporting around the world, VIMAR do support other standards as well, and have many modular accessories for outlets, media outlets, and so on. Then we have our RK. So RK is available in 3 finishes. So you have our metal finish modular accessories, which are metal in color. Plastic is the material. We have white and we have anthracite, and 2 styles of the frame, classic or round, across many different finishes. And again, being in the UK, we have products that fit UK back box dimensions, with all the various functionality that would be required for many projects, both in the UK and around the world. And then finally, we have Planner, which is a very bold, simple product. 2 finishes of the modules there. We have a glossy white or a glossy silver, and Planner then is complemented across many different finishes. And again, all the international standards are catered for. Moving on to our solutions. So as I said previously, the beauty of the VIMAR product range is the flexibility of our design, meeting the functionality the client is looking for, and the solutions the client's looking for. So we have standard products for standard electrical installations, with all the main functions, 1-way, 2-way switches, and so on. We have an advanced electrical installation system called QUID, which we'll come on to, which simplifies and can centralize standard wiring installations. We then have our connected products, which will enhance a standard wired project, and allow a degree of integration into smart devices and controls. And then we have our fully integrated systems, VIMAR or KNX. Just looking at those individually, the QUID product is a patented magnetic relay, which allows a push button with a single wire to control those circuits or blinds or lighting. It's a patented technology, very safe technology. So essentially, when you press the button, that allows the magnetic field to change, which modifies the relay inside and will turn on or off the circuits involved. And then obviously that simplifies the installation, and things like 1-way, 2-way, 3-way wiring is very, very simple. And we have lighting and blind control solutions within QUID. The connected devices are a wireless device which will enhance an existing wired project. So by removing a one-way, two-way switch, we can add our connected switch, which using either Bluetooth technology allows you then to control not just locally through that push button, but also remotely through our View app or through the vocal assistance. Functions include lighting, blinds, socket outlet controls, energy consumption, as well as adding additional scenario functionality. Here we've got a bit more detail on the connected devices. So yes, we've got monitoring of consumptions on and off, including timers through the app. Obviously, we've got the vocal assistance, blinds, lights, and so on. Expanding on that, we have our wireless controls, again, fully compatible with all of our series, RK, Planner, Icon, etc. And the wireless product comes in various guises, whether that's N-Ocean, Zigbee, or Bluetooth. There are no batteries, there's no wires, simply the power generated from depressing the switch creates enough energy to send the signal, the command signal, the radio frequency signal to the receiver. Moving on to VIMAR. So VIMAR is our main control system using our View platform. Essentially, we have the View app for controlling the devices in the system. It's based on a bus technology over IP, so the products can be controlled remotely via your app, or they can be programmed and monitored remotely by the system integrator. Again, complemented with our cover plates from the various series. We can control everything from lighting, blinds, HVAC. We have an audio system, energy monitoring, CCTV, door entry, and so on. So a very flexible solution. And then we have the same solutions using KNX protocol. So we offer a range of KNX certified devices, again, complemented across the entire product range. And we also offer additional KNX solutions specific for larger projects such as hotels, where we have card readers and also some software for hotel management and control of those KNX devices. So KNX is a big part of what we do as well. The door entry solution, a few years ago, VIMAR bought a company called Elvox. So the Elvox product, it was very well known in Europe for door entry solutions. VIMAR bought that and now offer door entry as a standalone solution in its own right, or obviously to be integrated into our VIMAR home automation system. And we have products to cater for all types of installation, be that one apartment or various MDU projects. And the outdoor stations come in various guises and sizes, with the indoor stations being without a handset or with, and of course using the push technology, so you never need to miss a call, and the call will automatically divert to your mobile phone if you wish. And then we have our security range, again, part of the Elvox products, can be used as standalone or again integrated into our control, our VIMAR home automation system. And the range it covers everything from your cameras through to our own alarm system, NVRs, PIRs, and so on. That's it as far as the product range is concerned. So hopefully there I've been able to demonstrate the full depth and scope of the VIMAR product range, the integration we have between our designs and product solutions, whether that's wiring devices, home automation, or KNX, as well as the various smart products from the Quid relays to our connected devices. Thank you for your time. I'll now throw some questions to the floor. So if anyone has any questions, please feel free to fire them across. Okay, so I'll wrap this up then. Thank you very much for your time. We will be in touch. We'll send you a copy of the presentation, and then we'll also follow up with various catalogues or additional information that you may need. Enjoy the rest of your day.